Hi, this is Sean from Hertels Coins, and next up we got a nice PCGS graded coins we just got back from them, so stay tuned. Today we got back our latest submission from PCGS. We got some 20 coins in here. Took a little bit long to get these graded. Took about 3 months, 4 months. So a little bit slow in the grading, but a bunch of nice coins. Hopefully we'll check them out. And always, if you want to purchase some of our coins, they will all be on our website, hertelscoins.com. So check out our shop page on our site. First up, we got an 1864 Indian cent. Nice little chocolate brown color with a little bit of hints of red in it. Nice original coin. Little striping going on. Very beautiful original color. This one graded from BCGS as MS63 brown, which is the bronze version. There's a copper nickel version that came before this one, but this is the bronze version. Very nice uncirculated example of 1864 bronze Indian cent. Next up, we got another Indian cent. This one is 1866. Very nice coin. This one, it looks like it's worn down, but it's a little bit of planchet flaw right here. So when they struck the coin, maybe something was on there or the die was worn out, but this is an original coin, even with the planchet flaw. As you can see, a little bit of flatness right here. But this one is an XF45. So very nice straight grade. Next we have 1876 Indian cent. Nice original color. Nice little detail in the headdress. You got Liberty still showing on this one. Reverse, still a nice original color also. And this one came back PCGS VF35. So far so good. Nice straight grades. Next we have a 1908. But this is not an ordinary 1908. This is a 1908 S from San Francisco Indian cent. On the bottom you can see the S mint mark. And this one graded AU50 by PCGS. Very nice original color. Next we have another 1908S. A little bit more detail in this coin. A little bit off color as you can see. But it's nice full detail in the headdress. Beautiful coin. But unfortunately, this one came back AU detail, saying it's been cleaned. So it looks like it's an old cleaning on here, as you can see. But still a nice high grade 1908S Indian cent. One more 1908S. Here's another one. Nice original color on this one. Beautiful coin. As you can see, the S mint mark on the bottom underneath the wreath. And this one came back as VF35. Very nice. Next we have a 1909S. Slightly off color on this one. 1909S. They have gone up in value lately. I know they're worth a little bit more on the gray sheet right now. Very popular coin. Last year of the Indian cent. And especially with the S mint mark. This one unfortunately came back VF detail. Next we have an absolute gorgeous shield nickel. And as you can tilt it this way, you can see a little bit flash in the coin. So yes, this is a proof shield nickel. Very nice color. Nice original flash on it. And this one came back proof 65. So very beautiful coin. Next we have first year of the Walking Liberty half. This is a 1916. Nice original colored. Full rims on this one. Yeah, this is the color you're looking for in earlier Walking Liberty halves. A nice original gray color. And this one came back fine 15. And a little bit earlier half. This is a Seated Liberty $50. This is 1858 from New Orleans. As you can see, the old mint mark on the bottom. Very nice original color coin. I love the absolute original color on these type of coins. Very beautiful. And this one came back XF40. So nice grade for this coin. Moving on to Liberty Nickels. First up, 1886. A little bit hard to tell. One of the semi-key dates of the Liberty Nickels. So there is a 6 there. Reverse, almost full rim. A little bit worn off on this side. But nice original color coin. And this one came back AG3. And next to the Liberty Nickels, we have 1885. One a little bit harder to find key dates of the Liberty Nickels. As you can see, nice original color on this one. And this one is AG3. Next we have, starting on the Barber Dimes. This one is an 1898. As you can see, nice flashed up coin, full detail. Nice white color. Very beautiful coin. And this one is an MX62. So very nice grade on this one. Next we have the year after that one. This is an 1899. Again, nice original white cartwheel on it. Nice white coin, no toning, no damage. Very beautiful. This one is a little bit better grade, MS63. Very nice coin. Next up, the last year of the Barber Dime, 1916. Very beautiful flash on this one. Again, full detail. Amazing cartwheel luster on this one. And this one came back MS63. So very nice example of the last year of the Barber Dime. Next up, on to the Morgan dollars, we have a 1901. And this one is from the S, San Francisco. So very nice original color on this one. A lot of detail left in this one. And this one came back XF40 by Pcgs. Another semi-key day coin. This is the 1894 old mint mark from New Orleans. Nice original gray patina on this one. A lot of detail in it. This one came back XF40. Nice green. Another Morgan dollar. This is 1893. Not an S mint mark, even though I wish. This is from Philadelphia. So this is the regular 1893 Morgan dollar. Nice original gray color on it. And this one came back VF30. We have one more 1894 old Morgan dollar. A little bit better condition than the last one. So very nice original color in this one. And this one came back AU50. Very nice coin. And our last one, this is a piece dollar. I was hoping for an Unk grade. I mean, it's so close from making an Unk. Very, very, very close. Little bit of tad of wear. I was hoping it'd come in under Unk grade, but still a nice original coin. And it did have an AU58 grade on it. So still very happy with that. That's all I have for you guys today. Like I said, on our shop page under hertelscoins.com, we will be posting these on our shop page. So if you're interested in them, you can purchase them on the website. And always, like before, always like our videos. And please subscribe and hit that notification button so I can see you in the next video. So have a good one. Thank you.